Hey, what's up guys? This is Jayzilla. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Cool Car Supreme Container Truck theme set. So now that we have everything unboxed, let's take a look at the cars. And to be honest with you guys, this is my first time buying a Cool Car product, but from the looks of it, it's very well crafted and has amazing details. So looking at this R32, you have the Supreme all over the car, you have it on the side of the car, you have the Supreme in the back on the rear bumper, Supreme all throughout the box as well too. And I love that the R32 is in that Supreme red. Next up, we also do have the 400Z. So Supreme as well on the side, Supreme as well as on the trunk, and Supreme all around the box as well too. So two 164 cars did come within this box set, as well as the 164 hauler decked out in Supreme. This does have some really good weight on it, so I'll say the quality on this is pretty damn good. Couldn't ask for anything less. First time, like I said, buying a Cool Car product, and couldn't be happier. So great job, Cool Car. This did also come with two figurines. So if you are displaying them with a diorama and have like a parking lot backdrop or 7-Eleven backdrop, it did come with two models to, kind of essentially model next to your cars. So nice little add-on that they did add to this set. Overall, guys, I'd give this set a 10 out of 10. I'd say the craftsmanship and details do remind me of other brands such as Inno64 and Mini GT. The added touch of the figurines is also a plus, and this hauler is super amazing. It does feel really, really premium. If you are in the market for one, I did get this off a seller on Whatnot. He did have them earlier than everyone else, but I believe this is slated to drop early 2025. So you take a look at your local Diecast shops or even check out eBay. I saw them trending on there for $150 for the set, and they also do sell it individually as well too. So if you made it this far in the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.